Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to recover your Snapchat account without a password, email or phone number. So how to reset your password without a phone number or email. So let's go to a browser, it doesn't matter which. Then from Google we have to type Snapchat support forgot password. So from here we have to go on the second site, so go to supportsnapchat.com, click on it. And then from here we have to scroll down, and here to need help with something else we have to click on yes, and then from here you have to click on I can't access my account, so the first option, and then scroll down, and here you have to check the I can't verify my email or my mobile number, so click on that. And then from here to need help with something else, click on yes. And then here you have to type your username. Here at email you have to write the email that you have in this moment and the phone number that you have in this moment. So here at what information should we know, you have to provide them as much detail as possible. So you can say that you no longer have your mobile number or your old phone. You can also write the last password that you remember. And you can also make some screenshots and tell them that you can provide them some pictures and screenshot and prove them that this account is yours and that you have it for a long time. So from here you have to click send and complete the captcha, and you'll receive an email or a message within 24 hours, 48 or 72. I don't know exactly. So that's it guys. I hope you liked this video. If it did, you can smash the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.